In this video, we're going to go over our drawing tools. If you click here at the top with the globe with the little pencil, it opens up a new taskbar. These are the drawing tools. If I click on Manage Projects, we're going to open up a new project. So we'll right click on this, I'll hit Add Project, and we'll give this a new project name. So I'm going to call this Test Project 2. And we're going to load this project. Now you can come back and reload old projects. All you would do is click on the Manage Projects once again, click on a project that you previously worked on, and hit Load Project, and it'll load that for you. For this purpose, let's say we wanted to put some different points on the map, maybe show some different graphics, some different logos. What we're going to do is we're going to click on this little pencil tool, which is the Draw Point tool. I'm going to click around. Let's say maybe we wanted to show that this was a 7-Eleven right here. Maybe we could say that this is a Target here. We want to say that this is a Walmart right here, and then we want to show that this is the land that we're building on here. So now I have 4 different points on the map. If I unhighlight the Draw Point tool, I can come back and change some settings on all these different points. So for example, this one we'll leave as a point marker. We'll make this an X. We'll make the size of it a little bit bigger. We could change the color of it to red. We'll change the outline to red as well, and now I click OK, and we have a red X on the map here. If I wanted to say that this was a Target, we can come in here, click on it once again, click on the logo graphic, and under logo name, we'll scroll down to Target. For logo size, we'll click medium, and now it'll input a Target logo there. If I wanted to show that this was a Walmart, very similar, just scroll down to W. Here we have Walmart. We'll leave that as medium as well, and we'll click OK. We could even make this a large just so it's a little bit bigger on the map. And if this was a 7-Eleven, same thing, just click 7-Eleven. We'll make this a medium and hit OK on the map here. We can change the color of it here so it's the normal logo. Now you have better visuals for presentations. We can also draw text directly onto the map by clicking this draw label icon here. So I could say maybe that this is our new site. If I click OK on this, it'll populate new site on the map here. It's a little bit difficult to see, so we're going to unhighlight this draw label. We're going to click on that new site there. Try to click right in the middle. And for font color, let's make this red. We'll make it much bigger. Everything else looks good there, and we'll hit OK, and now we can see new site populates on the map. We can also add some lines on the map here, so if we wanted to just, show a border around the property that we were purchasing or that we're developing on, we could draw a little border around it by just clicking around. To end the line, we're going to double click, and now we can show that border. Once again, we can come in, click on that border, and we could change the width of it. So we'll make it a little bit bigger. We can change the color once again and the opacity of it. So now we have a red site here. Another very cool thing about the drawing tools is that we can search within different shapes. So if I come here on the map and click on this Add Polygons, not only can we draw a shape out on the map, but we can search, let's say, off of this freeway here. If I come down where this intersects, and we can come all the way down to the next freeway down to the south here and click along it. We'll go up to this one and come up here. And now I can search for land within this. You can also keep this shape if you just wanted to show and highlight an area. We can change the colors of it once again just by clicking on it. So we'll make this blue. And we'll make the outline width a little bit bigger. So now we have a shape highlighted here on the map, but we can search within this as well. So if I come to our parcels search up at the top here, I'm going to click search within drawing polygons. And then we could say select a land use type for single family residential or vacant residential land. Click OK, and I'll hit search parcels. And now we're just searching for single family residential and vacant residential land within this drawing polygon here. So we can see we have a ton of results. We can narrow that down by looking for the price maybe. So if I come to, or the acreage, so let's say we're looking between 2 and 5 acres. If I click search now, we went down to about 200 total results. So I can come into the map here and take a look at all these different results that fall right within this drawing polygon here. We can also search by using a point and radius. So if I click OK on the map here, we'll come over and I'll select this point right here, let's say for example. We could draw a circle based on miles, so we'll say within 2 miles. So now we have a circle with a radius of 2 miles. I'll hit done up here, and then we'll come to our parcel search, and I'll search once again for the same results: single family residential, vacant residential, acreages between 2 and 5, and hit search parcels. And now we can see it populated that search for both of these shapes here. So we came to a total of 387 results. Now once again, you can come into this shape here, kind of look around and see which ones might fall best for you.